In today's video, we have the summer Walmart beauty box for 2025. This is the cheapest subscription beauty box that I get. This is only $7 every 3 months. So it's a seasonal box. I know the taxes, it depends on what state you live in. It depends on like the taxes, how much it is. It's $6.98. But in Jersey, it comes to $7.44. I do pay for this myself. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this puppy worth the money? Keep on watching. Okay, really quick, I'm trying out the noise reducer or reduction. I think it's called the noise reduction. It is extremely hot. Let me see. I don't know why I chose to film like midday. It is 12:32, and look, it says severe weather. It is, let me see. I know at 11:30 a.m. it was 110 degrees already with the heat index. So it's hot, and tomorrow's going to be even hotter. So I'm keeping the AC on. Our co-host today is just Aura. She's laying on the floor. So I cannot turn that AC off. I'm going to show you what it sounds like without the noise reduction right here. See, it's pretty loud. So hopefully it works. Now there's lots of variations. What variation did I get? I got variation 1. There's already, before I got like variation 23. So you can see, it tells you right there. Now you get 5 sample sizes, and sometimes I've always got at least 1 full-size item, and I really think this is worth the money. I really do. I used to love, who remembers the Target beauty boxes that were like $7? I wish they would come back, you know? All right, so the theme for summer is sunshine in a box. And then it tells me what is in here and then gives me like a price for what the full-size item will be. And this is a little different because usually it'll just tell you like what can be in your box. So I do see a full-size item, so I'll show you that last. All right, the first thing, and I hate this. This is what I hate the most is foil packets. I really, really hate this. But I don't mind this because this is... I think it says deep moisturize. I think this is a shampoo or conditioner. Let me see. Yes, this is from the brand Monday. This is a deep moisture hair what? Try that again. This is a deep moisture hair mask from the brand Monday. Full size would be $6.97, and it would be 8.4 ounces. So it's pretty big. Now, the reason why I don't mind this is because most of you guys know I suffer from hair loss. This is a fake ponytail, and I use hair fibers like this, like Topic. And so you really can't tell, you know, but this right here, I probably won't even need this whole thing, honestly, you know. So I don't mind this to get that, but normally I don't like if it was a moisturizer or trying to get comfortable or something like that. I don't like. That's just my preference. Okay, the next thing is, what are you? Is this a deodorant? A little small deodorant? What are you? What you be? Okay, so this is from the brand Dove, which I love. Like, I use their deodorant. I love this. This is my favorite one. I know, off topic. This is the apple and white tea. I love this scent. Okay. So this is from Dove. This is the coconut and vanilla whole body anti-friction stick. Full size is $1.99. It would be 2.6 ounces. And what are you? I can't even read you. Where are my glasses? Hold on. Got my little cheaters. I got these from Walmart, actually. So let's see. Oh, see, now I can read. I can read I can read everything that this says. 0.5 ounces. These are good. I think these are like 3.00, whatever it is. What is a friction stick? I don't know. I guess like to keep, if your thighs are chapping together or something. Oh, it smells good. It smells just like coconut. What did it say it was? Coconut and vanilla. Yeah. Let me see how much you get because, like I said, this is a sample size. Oh, you get a good amount. It's still going. That's what she said.
Oh, you nasty.
Look at that. That's how much you get. Push it down. All right. It says this is the AntiChaf Deodorant for all over 72-hour odor protection and skincare with a coconut and vanilla scent. Well, who the heck? That means you would have to like not take a shower for 3 days, right? Not I, said the fly. Okay, an anti-chafe, is that how you say it? Chafe stick is a balm or solid stick product designed to prevent skin irritation and chafing caused by friction between skin, clothing, or footwear. It creates a protective barrier that reduces rubbing and helps keep skin dry. Okay, how to use it. These sticks can be applied to various body parts where chafing is common, such as thighs, underarms, feet, and nipples. Oh, yes, because I do know. I feel like there's a piece of hair. I do know some people do use that if it gets dry or what have you. But yes, this is good. Like in case you get a rash from sweating or anything like that. Okay. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm glad to get this, actually. The next thing is from EOS. I'll tell you about this brand in a second. This is Shea Butter Cashmere Body Wash in Vanilla Cashmere. And full size would be $9.98 and it would be 16 ounces. And this is 2.5 fluid ounces. So EOS, my daughter, because I don't have TikTok, and my daughter kept asking me, because I would go to like the smaller Walmart, not like the bigger one, the super size, whatever it's called. And she said, I guess it was like these EOS like body lotions. Now EOS, the only thing I remember is like chapsticks and stuff like that. And I couldn't find it. She's like, Mommy, everybody's getting it at Walmart. And I'm like, well, I don't see it, but it's at the bigger Walmart where you can get it. And I actually really like the lotion. And so now we have the body wash. So she'll be excited. She's going to steal this from me. So it comes with a safety seal, which we like. Let's see. Oh, that smells so good. To me, it smells like a vanilla birthday cake. Oh, yeah. Duh, because it's vanilla cashmere. But it does. I like this a lot. Okay, so we have that. I'm really, really excited. Okay, so the next thing is from Sunbomb, and this is SPF 30, and we can always use that, right? Full size would be $16.48, and it would be 6 ounces. And again, it's a sunscreen lotion, SPF 30. It says it smells like summer. This moisturizing sunscreen formula will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays while enriching your skin with vitamin E, water resistance, and great for all skin types, which is good. I don't really go out in the sun like that, like actually lay out to get a tan or anything anymore, because I've said this over and over again. In 2015, I was diagnosed with stage 2, early stage 2 melanoma skin cancer on my back. I've had other type of skin cancers like on my leg and different things that they took off, but the melanoma, right, that could be deadly. And I got it just in time. I have like a scar about this big, about the size of a quarter, right above my bra strap. And thank goodness they caught it in time. And that's from going to the beach or going to the tanning bed or what have you. So I don't really go out in the sun like that to lay out. However, my daughter asked me this Thursday if I wanted to go to the beach. So I will definitely be using this. Oh, that smells good. That reminds me of like, what was that called? Banana boat. Do you remember the banana boat? Oh my God. And anytime I smell something like that, it reminds me of the beach, because that's where I'm from. You know, I'm from the shore, and I was born there. My mother and father were born and raised in Atlantic City, New Jersey. So, oh, it just brings back memories. Okay, so we got that. And last but not least, this is my full-size item, and this is the seamless the seamless nylon hair bands from Gimme. And you get how many? 1, 2, Oh, they're different sizes. So you get 2 of the smaller ones, 2 of the medium, and 1 big one. And this is full size. It is $7.94. Oh, no, it's not full size. Full size would be a 12 count for $7.94. But this is a really good size, sample size. Wow. This was a great box this month. Guys, for $7. Okay, so let's recap. So you get the hair bands. You get the body wash. Again, this is a really good size to try. You get SPF. You get, there's a lot in here. This is the whole body, whatever it's called, the chafing stick, right? And what else? 1, 2, 3, 4. What was the 5th item? Oh, right in front of my face. The deep conditioning hair mask. This is the only thing I would have been like, if I had a lot of hair. I have hardly any hair, so this will probably last me 2 times to try it, you know, so I'm okay with this. But even if I didn't get this, just these 4 items, I mean, it's definitely worth the $7. I love this subscription, you know, because you get to try different brands that Walmart carries. Because the first time I ever heard of Monday was when they gave me a shampoo, and I actually buy the full size now. So yeah, I really like this subscription box. Let me know if you get this. If you do get it, what variation did you get? Are we box twins? Let me know what you got down below, and let me know what your favorite item was that you got for summer, because you know your girl is nosy. All right, let me know what you think down below, how the noise is, if it works good, and all of that stuff. I have some more unboxings to do. If you are not aware, I have not been filming. I think I only filmed 1 video so far. That was my BoxyCharm this month. My daughter's father passed away May 17th, so we've just been dealing with that, and I just been taking some time off. But I'm back. The beach is back. So I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. Anyway, don't forget I have a blog channel, Just Anne's World, if you're interested in that, to get to know me more on a personal level. I always leave it in the description box, but I will pin a comment. Thumbs up the video, thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really does help out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. Is that everything? Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys.